going to begin with this exercise, which we have done in class before. Now, it says, we remember we have to solve the brackets the first. Yeah, this is a bracket, yeah, and it works just the same way than a parenthesis. Whatever it looks like is a parenthesis. Yeah, so we are going to solve it the first. Now, -7 to the power of 2. It means -7 times -7. So we know 7 times 7 is 49. Positive or negative? It is negative because the opposite of negative is positive. Negative times negative is positive. So, whatever the way, it is. Then we have 49 over 49 minus 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 4 over 8. Yep. Now, we keep on going with the next one, and we know 49 divided by 49 is 1. Yep. 49 divided by 49 is 1. So, we simplify 4 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 4, and it is going to be 1/2. Why do we want to simplify? We don't want to go finding the least common denominator of these two. If we can simplify, let's simplify. 49 over 49 is 1. Yeah, keep it in mind. So 1 minus 1/2, we can express it in a different form and say that 1/2 equals 0.5. Remember, it also represents 50% if we were talking about percentage. In this moment, percentage doesn't mean anything for our exercise, so we just don't show it like this. It means 0.5. And 1 minus 1/2 is the other half. Yep. So you have one apple and you eat half of the apple. So what is missing? Well, the other half of the apple. Then 20 to the power of 2. Long ago we solved it. Yep. It says 20 times 20. And 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 zeros, because it's a multiplication, we just add the zeros. So it means 400. Yeah. Then this is, oh my god, this is just keep on going. This is going on and on. All right. So we say this is 400, and look at this. Over here we have 480 over 240. Because they both are multiples of 10, I can eliminate the zeros. Yeah? And divided by 10. Divided by 10, both of them, it means I am going to cancel the zeros. If I have a 0 in the denominator, I can cancel it with the 0 in the numerator. Yep, it is fast. So, -48 divided by 24. Yep. 48 is the double of 24. If I simplify it, I am going to get 2 over 1. Is the double of it. If I were going to take a little longer, I might say I divide it by 8, and it's going to be 6. 24 divided by 8 is going to be 3. 6 over 3 is 2 over 1. I mean, they represent the same amount. Yeah, they are equivalent fractions. So 40 divided by -2 over 1. -2 over 1 means -2 divided by 1, and it is 2. Any number divided by 1 is that same number. Now, this is meant to go in a parenthesis because we have a division here. So we don't want two signs just to be next to each other without a parenthesis. Now, 400 divided by -2 is the next operation, the division. So means -200. 400 divided by 2 is 200. times positive, because this has a positive sign, right, is negative. So it is negative 200. And we are going to multiply it up. Look, in this case, is multiplication. This is a little different, it's slightly different than the one we saw in class, because in class we had an addition sign here. And it makes it totally different. Well, it had a subtraction sign, in fact, not an addition. So, negative 200 times 0.5, it means the half, because 0.5 means the half, the half of 200. How much is the half of 200? Well, it's 100. That's it, So, this is it with this exercise.